Polokwane City winger Oswin Apolis has described the mental toll of his failed off-season transfers as one of the most challenging periods of his career. The 23-year-old, who was linked with moves to Esperance Sportif de Tennis, MC Alkmaar, and Kaizer Chiefs, saw all three potential deals fall through. Despite the setbacks, Apolis has remained resilient, channeling his focus into maintaining a place in the Bafana Bafana squad, and said it was very difficult. But at the end of the day, if I don't perform, I wouldn't be called to the national team. So I had one thing in my mind, to continue working and being on the national team. Because if I didn't work or score, I wouldn't be here. Although he is yet to score for Polokwane City this season, Apolis's consistency has been evident, and his national team performances have spoken volumes. He has been instrumental in South Africa's successful 2025 Africa Cup of Nations qualifying campaign, starting all 5 matches in Group K with 2 goals and 3 assists. He has played a key role in securing Bafana Bafana top spot as they head into their final qualifier against South Sudan. The upcoming fixture holds special significance for Apolis, as it will be played in his hometown of Cape Town at the DHL Stadium. Reflecting on the rare opportunity to play in front of his family, he shared his excitement and said, "This is the first time I can remember the national team playing in the mother city since 2010. It's going to be special having my family there to watch me in Bafana Bafana colours for the first time." Apolis was once on the verge of move to Ajax Amsterdam during his youth, still dreams of making his mark in Europe. The diminutive midfielder remains hopeful that his performances for the club and country will attract interest in the upcoming transfer windows ahead of the Continental Showpiece in Morocco next year. He said, "I've been thinking about my future lately. Everyone's goal is to go to Europe one day, and hopefully I'll get my opportunities. With the Africa Cup of Nations on the horizon and homecoming game that promises to be an emotional moment, Apolis is determined to keep his upward trajectory. All eyes will be on the Cape Town born star as he looks to inspire South Africa once more and reignite his ambitions of securing a move abroad." Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.